Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Art and Sketches. Today drawing is super fun. We are bringing to water life as a cartoon character. Imagine if a water had a cute personality, calm, shine and full energy. Let's make it happen. Firstly, started by sketching out two simple round eyes and a tiny sweet smile right in the middle. Now we will draw the body. Imagine a classic water drop shape. It should be round at the top and taper down slightly. It's simple, fun and super cute. And don't forget to add a few smaller playful water droplets surrounding the body to make it look like it's splashing around. Coloring the eyes and smile. Let's focus on the eyes next and smile. Fill them in the solid black. But here the trick to making them sparkle. Use with a white pencil or a gel pen to add a couple of small bright highlights. Repeat process for another eye. Now it's time to bring our character to life with color. Take a dark blue pencil or a fine tip pen and carefully go over all your pencil lines. This bold outline is key to making the character pop off the page and make the line smooth and clean. Now for the main color. Grab a light watery blue and sky blue shade. Apply this color lightly and evenly across the entire droplet body. Same color shade used for entire smaller drops. You can layer a slightly darker shade of blue near the edges and the bottom to give it a little dimension. This is the fun part, blending. Use a blending stump, a tissue or even just another pencil to gently smooth out the color. This helps the blue transitions nicely, making your water droplet look even more ethereal and cute. Final part, erase the all extra pencil lining. And here's our final artwork. Water, the cheerful and calm cartoon elements. I love how this one turned out smooth, shiny and full of character. Tell me in the comment box how much you excited for final elements part. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun, more art videos on Love Artist Sketches.